students and families. My name is Jen, and I'm a registered dietitian at Tri-State Memorial Hospital. We are pleased to present health and nutrition tips for you to use at school and at home with your families. Today's topic is recipe makeovers. Did you know that there are some small changes that you can make with your foods to make them a little bit healthier? Today I want to talk about a couple of those. One option is if you're baking, you can use applesauce instead of butter or oil. This helps you increase the amount of fruits that you have in the day while also decreasing the amount of fat and calories that you have. Another thing that you can do is if you like vegetables to snack on, which is very healthy because you get lots of nutrients and fiber, vitamins and minerals from vegetables. If you like to dip those in ranch, you could actually make your ranch a bit healthier by substituting out mayonnaise or sour cream with non-fat yogurt. Another thing you can do with the non-fat yogurt is to actually use that in place of sour cream for things like tacos. This reduces the amount of saturated fat that you consume, while also gives you the calcium that you need to grow strong bones and teeth. You might remember from a previous lesson that saturated fat increases the buildup of cholesterol in your heart and arteries, and over time that's not a good thing, so we try to limit saturated fat in our diets. Another thing to think about is fruit snacks. Although fruit snacks does sound healthy because we know that fruit is healthy, sometimes fruit snacks don't have any fruit in them at all. And so you may want to think about looking at the ingredient list and making sure that if you're choosing a fruit snack or a fruit leather, that you choose one that has fruit as the very first ingredient. So maybe apple puree or pear puree, something like that. Another thing to think about is desserts. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite desserts is brownies. So you could do things like substituting out sweet potatoes. You could use sweet potatoes instead of other ingredients, and it makes it a lot more moist, but it also adds vitamin A, which is very healthy for your vision, and it also adds some fiber to it and other nutrients. You could also substitute out milk chocolate with dark chocolate, and this gives you some healthier options. So you can look at one of the videos that we previously created for that recipe. A couple other recipes that we'll post are taco popcorn olé, and also we can post a recipe for non-fat ranch. Look out for those and try to think of some other ideas that makes your food a little bit healthier. Until next time, take care.